Sometimes you gotta pray for a victory. Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been testing so much, all these rest.
Hi, TK. I'm at another new reno here on the west side of the western suburbs, west of Minneapolis. It's a nice area. This house we're in here is built probably in the 40s, 50s, somewhere in that area. This neighborhood is got a lot of the same style homes, and they're real quaint, nice features. You're going to see some of them here, but you'll have to look closely because there's a lot of tar.
Beijing, man, ain't know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the background. They ain't know me then, but I'm hot now. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice.
Again, we're in what's called a story and a half. So what I mean by that is it's got a basement, main level, and then the upstairs is up almost in like an attic space, which you'll see. But if you look around, we're in the living room here. Again, there's a lot of staining in this house. So we will come in with some heavy duty oil-based priming products so that when we paint it and cover this, that it encapsulates it and prevents staining from coming through.
Thanking God for the life He afforded me. All this jewelry on my body, I can light the hood. I need a brown-skinned chick just like Megan Good, holding up every promise that I ever made. Music in the background, it's a serenade. Been rapping 10 years, boy, this ain't a phase. I paid dues, paid rent, and I stayed the same. I had teardrops running down my face. I've been through a lot.
This particular house is getting kind of just a facelift. We're going to come into the kitchen here. And again, this is original kitchen. This is from the 50s, as you can tell. So we'll remove all the uppers and lowers, appliances, so you'll have new appliances, new countertops, new cabinets.
Just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. What's a life without sacrifice? Sometimes you gotta thank God and just roll the dice. Pacino.
We always have renderings on the job site. So if you look at this, it's kind of what you're going to be seeing over on this wall. For example, refrigerator cabinet above, small cabinets, stove, microwave cabinet above, and then again, small cabinets on the other side. Let's go upstairs and I'll explain a little bit about the story and a half. And you'll see that the room is triangularized. And what happens is this is actually attic space. You're going to have attic space over on this side, and then there's going to be attic space over on the other side, and then the walls go up to another attic space above me. So this, as far as, you know, insulation, ventilation, it can be a nightmare, but if they're put together well, it's a beautiful place to have another bedroom, family room, kids room, just a place to play. You'll see it's very big, spacious, and it has a sufficient closet. It's, you know, built-in drawers. We're not gonna do anything to this stuff up here. Yes, we're gonna paint the tile, clean it up. We're gonna put carpet on the floor, but we're going to keep the knotty pine. Sometimes we paint it. This one is in very, very good shape, and so we're going to leave it this way. If you come through this little door opening, this is actually a closet. It just comes right around, another door, and it comes right to the top of the steps. So again, a great place for storage, you know, or if you need an extra bedroom. So that's the upstairs, and that's a story and a half. So this house does not have central air, but it does have an air conditioning unit up that's called I think they call them splits. I'm not sure. I don't know at all, but we are going to replace that unit there. And then in our initial evaluation of the property, it was time for a new furnace. So that's already been done. We had our HVAC guys over here. So this is just your old utility room. You got washer, dryer, and then you're going to see here, this is a brand new furnace that was installed. So we've already tackled that part of it. Down in the basement is not going to be a lot. So on this particular house, they're going to leave the basement paneling as is. It's got the old style bar. There's a lot of fun things you can do with basements like this. I'm sure the new homeowners will come up with some. You're going to see that this bathroom is in pretty good shape. So we're going to be just reusing a lot of this, touching up, painting walls, and that's it. This bathroom is ready to go. Walk through bedroom, and again, you're looking at the walls. We got to clean them up, and again, oil based. If you look at the ceilings. So what we'll do in a case like this is we'll actually scrape this whole ceiling down. We'll retexture it, repaint it. And the other bedroom on this floor is about the same size. And again, we got a lot of tar and nicotine, so we'll be treating it, oil-based, paint it, and we'll be good to go.
My best and my worst days, proud of on my feet when I touch the ground. Front of 8 at Beijing, man, they know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the
So that's our newest reno with True Blue. Cute house, and it's just going to turn out fantastic. So again, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you at the next one.
Just to live his life. They say life's a gamble. You gotta roll the dice.